How to stake Atom on KEPLR wallet. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So for this, just simply open up your KEPLR wallet, and over here you will be able to find the option of staked right beside available on your wallet. Just simply select it. Now click on this option of stake with KEPLR dashboard. Just simply hit enter and you would be able to open it up. And now it will ask you to select chain over here and then select validator in the second step, and then just simply click on this option of stake in order to stake. So let's close it up. Then over here you will be able to find the option of different chains on the left hand side panel. Just simply select the option of Cosmos Hub, and after that scroll down. Here you will be able to find different validators. Now we will not select the first one as it is charging quite high commission at this point of time. It is around 20%. So basically whatever you will earn, the 20% will go to this particular validator. So in place of this particular validator, we will select someone else. So you can see there are different commission rates for different validators. Some are charging even 0%. And right beside Atom, you will be able to see different percentages. These are the percentages that you will be earning. So as we are going downwards, the percentage that we earn will be reducing. So it's better to select someone upwards to get better returns. So we will select the second one. And now just simply click on this option of stake. Click on this option of continue to stake. And you won't be able to unstake till 21 days. So your funds or atoms will be locked for 21 days over here. Now just type the amount that you want to stake and click on this option of stake. And this way you would be able to stake atoms on KEPLR wallet. And that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.